my time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is going to be McDonald's, going about 5 miles.
Good morning. Will you be using your mobile app today? Get right here. Pinch in there too.
Thank you.
Gotcha.
Hi. Total for that order was $7, and we got the next one right away. This is McDonald's, going 4 miles. So I got here at a very awkward time because it's like right at lobby opening time, but there's still like a bunch of cars in the drive-thru, so I don't even know if they're gonna open the lobby yet. Hello.
Is that for you, right?
No, not that one. Guess we're going through the drive-thru since we're not opening this lobby.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
No, I have a DoorDash pickup.
Are you having a day?
You too. Of course, this is a hand-to customer as well. Why wouldn't it be? I really love that none of these houses have numbers on them. Not visible ones, at least. There you are. At least there was a tip on that, I guess. Total ended up being $6. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $9, going 6 miles. Morning.
Cassie Q?
Yes.
You are all set?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bro. So it was between walking through their grass or jumping over their little blockade. Next up, we've got a Burgerville. This one is going 4.5 miles. There you go. Thank you. Total for that was $7, and we got the next one right away. This is Mr. Maple Donuts, going 2 miles. This one's probably going to be a bad one.
You get a large Coke.
Yeah. Just these, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, I love being wrong. Total for that order was $10. Really good order, actually. Thank you. And we got the next one right away. This is Champ Pizza, going 7 miles. Hello. Yes, thank you. I like how he asked if it was for Pippin. Yeah, I don't think it's Pippin, my guy. This person obviously put a fake name. Of course it's gonna be Pipin D. Wonder what that means. Let me know if you guys would eat this pizza. We've got pepperoni, bacon. Looks like they substituted the sauce for barbecue sauce. Grilled chicken, pineapple, and roasted garlic. Me personally, I love all of those ingredients on their own, but when you put it all together, I don't know. It smells kind of funky, not gonna lie. I don't know if I would eat this. Oh, nice. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This is gonna be going about 5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was just under $10. Next up, we've got a Wendy's. Oh boy. This one's gonna be going 4.5 miles.
Unless you're waiting full time, I'm gonna have a park behind that line right there, okay?
All right. Oh. What can I even say? Why do I always have to wait for Wendy's? Bro, what is going on? They told me they were waiting on eggs, but it's been like 10 minutes. Are they waiting for the chickens to lay them, or what's going on here?
Alright, my friend, there you are. Take the tip.
No, that's actually hilarious. Really. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $9. That's how long it took, by the way. Next order up, we've got Starbucks going 4.5 miles. Blah, blah, blah. Meet me at the front door. Thank you. Okay, dude. You're annoying me already. I didn't even know this place existed. Apparently this is like Army Reserve Training Center. I don't even know what that means, to be honest, but that's what it is. Total for that one was like $6 and change. And we got the next one right away. This is gonna be Taco Bell going less than 2 miles. I'm not sure if this lobby's open. Looks like lights are off, but I'm not sure. Hello? Is this place even open? I'm thinking no. I don't see anybody inside. I don't think this place is even open. I don't even know if I got paid for that order. It said it was unassigned, but like, I didn't unassign it. The store was closed. Hopefully I got paid something at least. Finally got the next orders. We got a stack, I think going to the same person. We got Krispy Kreme and Black Rock Coffee going about 8 miles.
Shut up that way. There you are.
Thank you.
Of course.
They just gave me an add-on. I'm right at the window, so I'll take it. I'll take it anyways. Yeah, I have another one too. I just got Misty as well.
Misty as well?
Yeah.
Well, this one's for Catherine, and then... Alright, this is for Misty.
Thank you. I got an add-on order as soon as I was pulling up to the window. I think it said it was going an additional 2 miles. It's a random dog just flying around. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, your gate's open. Your dog was like flying around. I don't know if that's your dog, but there's a dog. Yeah.
Is he still up there?
I think he just ran back in like as I was walking up.
Okay.
But he was like down by the
Thank
school.
you for letting me.
Yeah, I just didn't know if it was your dog or not.
Yes!
So. Yeah, I thought I was seeing things as I was pulling in because I was getting stared down by that dog. When I parked, it came running down the street into her backyard, so I just assumed it was her dog. Anyways, total for those orders was $24. Also, I got this order as I was waiting for her to answer her door, so I was just about to leave when she opened it. But this is Daydream Breakfast Burrito. I believe it said it was going 6 miles. Thank you. I can't tell if this is upstairs or on the other side of the building. So we're walking. Trick question. It's both. Zero tip on that, huh? Total was $5. Super garbage. Got the next order right away. This is going to be Burger King going 3 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No tip on that one. Total was $4 and change. Next up, we got a Taco Bell. This is gonna be going 4 miles. Hello.
Hello.
Pick it up for Catherine.
Catherine?
Yeah.
It's being made right now.
Gotcha.
There you go.
Thank you.
Right now.
Just impaled their bag. Zero tip. All right, I'm done. I'm over it. Total for that was $4 and change. Current time is 10:23. Total, we are at like 109. Oh, actually, let me double check to see if I got paid for that closed restaurant. And it looks like I did. $2 and change. And if you didn't know, for closed restaurants, they give you half pay of whatever the total was supposed to be. Pretty clear that that was a no tip. I guess the total was like what, 111, 112-ish? That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.